sometimes you feel that you're like absolutely nothing, you're nowhere, and after the shot you feel that, oh my god, I was good at that. Sometimes just before a shot you feel that you're the greatest actor in the world. After the shot is over, you feel that you don't know a damn about acting. Probably won't be able to rate myself as anywhere as an actor even for many years to come, because I just feel that I'm still learning. I don't want to just block myself into one particular kind of an image or kind of a character. Something interesting, be it in the script, be it in the storyline, be it in the concept of the film, be it my character. At that point of time when I signed that film, I had certain thoughts in my mind about that particular film. Every single time somebody asks me, I always say that I don't out of my films. When you expect too much, be disappointed. Pyar Vyar again was a very different experience because our angle in the film was very light-hearted, comedy, that kind of stuff.